Say hello to the latest Brother Extra Tough sewing machine, the FS110X. Here's just some of the key features that make this machine a game changer. Whether you're sewing soft furnishings, dressmaking, or creating intricate quilts, this machine is your perfect partner. Sewing thick fabrics is a breeze. FS110X comes with essential quilting accessories. Let's explore some of its user-friendly features. The needle threader effortlessly threads the needle. The drop-in bobbin system makes bobbin changes easy. Choose from a wide range of 100 built-in stitches. The powerful motor delivers consistent stitching. The reverse sewing functions reinforces your stitches. Achieve the perfect stitch tension for different fabrics. Adjust the sewing speed to match your comfort level and project requirements. The Extra Tough FS110X is designed to handle stretch fabrics. Expand your creative possibilities with twin needle sewing. The FS110X features an extra safe finger guard. Online tutorials are available whenever you need them. Its heavy-duty metal frame ensures ultimate strength and stability. Brother Extra Tough machines are built to last.